COVID-19 cases are steadily rising for the first time in several months. Good evening and thanks for joining us.
This is largely fueled by the fast-spreading Delta variant. News 10's Hannah Fulman spoke with the Vigo County Health Department today. She tells us more on why this increase is happening and how you and your family can stay safe.
Health officials are growing more concerned about the potential resurgence of COVID-19. According to the CDC, the nation saw a 7-day average between 10 and 15,000 cases at the beginning of the summer. But now that number is climbing to nearly 30,000 cases. The nationwide trend is nothing different from what health experts are seeing in the Wabash Valley.
With the Delta variant in our community, that means that numbers can go back up again. And of course, no one wants us to go back in the pandemic where we're in shutdowns and wearing masks everywhere we go. But that is a possibility if the Delta variant becomes huge in our county or in the state.
Local health officials are concerned about the recent rise in cases, while local community members have a divided mix of emotions. On a Facebook post, we asked News 10 viewers how they're feeling about the recent rise in cases. More than 500 people responded. Some, like Holly Cruz Shepard, are fearful. She says, quote, "I worry about my kids getting it. They're too young for the vaccine," end quote. While others, like Brandon Boer, have no concerns. This recent rise in cases is coming at a time when vaccination rates are falling nationwide. But luckily, that is not the case in Vigo County.
Once we announced that the Delta variant was in Vigo County, we've had tons of calls and we actually decided to open up our clinic for walk-ins. So we've been seeing a little more traffic and we expect to continue to see more.
While a resurgence is possible, the Vigo County Health Department says it should not be anywhere near last year's numbers.
So when we look back on our graph to last summer, it was kind of the same thing. We had really low cases all throughout summer, and then into July, August, our cases really started to pick up, and then we continued to have large surges. So really hoping with the vaccine that won't be the case. We'll have a little surge, but not what we had before.
Health experts are still encouraging you to get vaccinated. They say this is the best way to protect yourself and your family from the fast-spreading Delta variant. Reporting in Terre Haute, Hannah Fulman, News 10.